There you go. As soon as they stop pecking, I think they're ready to hatch. And look at this one. It's much different. It's very cotton candy fluff. There we go. Wakey, wakey. Ah, this one's... Oh, that one right here was real good. Fold it down. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, look at right in there. We can see. Oh, you are so cute. There we go. Come on, Hatchimal. Come on, little Hatchimal, you can do it. Oh, hi. Are you ready to take your first? Woo! Oh, this one started hatching too. Peck. Do not peck me. It's okay. Okay, it thinks it's still in. This one definitely is quick at getting out of the egg. Oh, so cute. There they are. Ah! This is so cute. Okay, this one, I'm definitely seeing yellow and purple. Ooh. Egg, just a little bit. There we go. Ah! No! It's trying to peck me. It's trying to... Okay, it still wants to... Oh, she's trying to fly. She's trying to fly a little bit. Fans, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ah, my cookies! Oh, okay, easy. Easy now. We may have to kind of help him out of the... Oh! Woo! Come on, little Hatchimal, you can do it. Got like corally peach pink. We've got this beautiful minty green color. I think the Hatchimal's hungry. Let's have the Hatchimal eat some birthday cake. Exciting. Peek inside. Hatchimals yet have the back too. Let's kind of fluff up her hair a little bit. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at nice and protected. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, don't be afraid. It's all right. But we'll find out real soon. Woo! They're just too tired. They just kind of stopped right here. Listen, they're sleeping. Peel the egg away from its head. Just a little bit. Oh, you know what they look like. Oh, you know. Oh, I think we can see a little tiny beak on this one. Please. Oh! This eggshell right off and take a look at who it is in here. Oh, baby, this right here. Watch. Woo! Oh, got a little. It's already making say in the egg. They're not ready. Let's tap it. Aww. Still eating? There we go. Oh, that was a good little piece. Look at, we almost have it flipped open. There. Oh, that was a good one for this little baby. Wow, out of the little egg, pretty good peck. A bit. So maybe it's not ready just yet. This one is still doing really good. They both have purple eyes. Oh, I think they... Oh, there it goes. Do it. Ooh. Right there. There we go. This is so cute. I wonder what this one's going... Oh. Oh! Keep on working right here. Come on, little Hatchimal. Oh, they're almost ready. Oh, whoa. Proud of the Hatchimal. All right, let's keep getting off this plastic wrappy. Oh, they are swoop. Here we go. Here's the other egg. Oh, let's take off the covering. Okay, this is so cute. She's so precious. She is so cute. All right, sing Hatchy birthday. I think I'm going to cry. I'm so... Come on out. Oh, I'm trying to get out of the... Come on, little Hatchimal, start hatching. This one's almost... Oh, there it is! It's totally pecking its way out. Give it a little tilt. Look at it's trying to already hatch. Here, Hatchy birthday! That is so sweet. Oh, she's taking her first steps. There we go. There, we actually see its cute little ears. Kind of looks like a koala, but right here. All right, baby Hatchimal, are you ready? See the lights? It's a little hard to see. A little bit more. Okay, these are so cute. Now, of course, this one's not done yet. We can Ooh! See if we can kind of feel it pecking. Hatchimal, you can do it. Oh, look at this little egg peck egg. You can do it. Ooh! All right, I think we're ready to get this one out. Let's take a look. Hello, sweet. There we go. Look at that. Did it open right there, right where my finger was. Oh, hanging out in the egg. Okay, are we ready to have a ride? But which one? On the yellow and fluffy. Oh, she's got the hiccups. She's got the hiccups. Oh, this one's hungry. Come on. Come on. Green means that the egg is... Another piece. Oh, right there, just a little bit. Need a hatch? Kind of there, right where its beak is. You can peel the eggshell in purple or on the pink and green. Bye, Cookie Fan. Yummy, huh? Yeah, I like the bird. This one loves to eat. Okay, this is too cute. Actually kind of fluff the Hatchimal up a little bit. And look at that. We can add shell protector. I can't believe it. Really beautiful, by the way. Look at all of those colors. We've got purples. We've got two. Ah, look at how colorful. Okay, we have to be very, very careful when removing the egg. All right, let's have this one get on out. Whoop. Here we go. Come on out. Come on out. Okay, it still just wants to look like. Oh, so now we can unwrap it. Oh, look at it. Absolutely adorable. I love the pastel coloring. I think these might be one of my favorite hatch. It taps back. It's all done. Whoa. More peck. Woo! Looking through an egg. Get out. Oh, so let's see. Which one did we get? It looks like... Oh, wait. It's got hiccups. Hiccups, hiccups. Oh, this one is almost all done. Away. Right here. Oh, it's like a little elephant Hatchimal. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh, cute. Come eat some birthday cake. There we go. Look at this one. We can actually see its fur. Is that pink fur? It looks a little... What does that mean?
It may need to burp.
Okay, easy pat the egg. That might be it. There's just a few more areas to peck through. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, definitely.
Oh, do you see that right there?
It is just going to bust out of the egg. Whoa!
It's all right.
All right, it's okay. See, there we go. After we both comfort the egg, it can now... He hasn't quite wanted to hatch out of the egg yet. Come on. You can do it, you guys. It's almost done. Yeah, just keep pecking right there. Start to peck its way up. Oh, this one we know is that they are... Woo! Woo! Okay, that is so cute. So that is our first little hatch. A whole bunch of the egg pecked away right here. We still have to work a little bit, Ratchet.
Oh, no.
We're waiting for her beak to pop out. Her is catching up really fast. Look at how much of the egg got out of the egg.
It is a complete mystery egg. I have no idea which ones are inside.
You can almost see it. Hatching out. Where's it hatching? Woo! There we go. Oh, wait a minute. Is this one ready to hatch it? You want me to take you out of the egg? Okay, we'll take...
We're going to find out.
Who will you hatch?
Here we go. We need to just be very, very careful as...
There it is. Oh, it's right there. The little beak in there.
Oh, there we go.
Pecking more. Come on, little Hatchimal. Let's see, where is it at? Right? Made a little crack in the egg. Come on. Woo! There we go. Is that better? Oh, there's a wing. We've got one wing. And... Woo! Let's get her all out through. Oh! Ow! Right there. That one's real side. And the egg. The egg is almost done. Whoa! Look at its beak. Whoa! Do you see that? Keep on going. Keep on. Remove this little egg. Oh, they're both making so much noise. And the other wing. I can kind of feel its little beak. Oh, right there.
To hatch soon.
Cookie fans, we are gonna... Oh, right there. Look at its little beak. Oh, let's see it again. Let's see that again. Oh, to find out which mystery Hatchimal it is. Come on, you can do it now. So we just need her little tiny ears that she has. Oh, it's fin tail.
Oh,
Oh, this Hatchimal is doing so good. We can almost see it right here. Oh, right. Her wings are also super duper soft and fuzzy as well. Hi, are you okay? See its little tiny peck marks, how it's made all the way around? It kind of needs a little bit more on this side. That was a little elephant ears.
Oh, can't even handle how cute he is. Oh,
he's so adorable. Oh, there they go. Their shell. Oh, right there. Look at that. You can basically see it pecking through. Take a little eggshell piece. It's almost cracked open on this whole... Look, it's just kind of stopping right here. Hi, I can peck. Whoops. Oh, okay. It's okay now. So it looks like we found this one ready to hatch. Oh, no. Looks like she kind of wants to peck through the egg still. They're too tired to peck. These are. So after we take really good care of each one of the eggs to hatch. Look. Where's it on? Woo. Let's take a look. Let's see. Oh, I think we're ready to peel this. So cute. I cannot believe how so adorable these ones are going. A little bit here in this chunk area, and then we'll be ready to hatch. There we go. Let's see our other little baby. There's the egg. This one too. Carefully take it out. Your little sister, is this birthday cake will make her feel better? We're gonna fluff up some of her hair here in the... I think they're getting getting a little tired. Come on, you can do it. Oh, you can do it. To open. A pretty good line right here. Right here. There we go. Ah! That this little teeny tiny Shopkins was on top of one of the Hatchimals going for. We need lots more work on this. Oh, they're both hatching. Woo! It looks like it still wants to go around. They're doing so good. Keep looking. Did you guys hear that? Oh, there it is. Its eyes are lighting up. So let's. Oh, wow. Oh, it's really cracking. Woo! And around in the egg sounds. So we need to make sure we take really good care of this egg, which is totally. Wow! Look. Come on, you can do it. One more side. It's almost out though. Woo! And then we get. Cookie fans, you're at the end of the video. Did anyone notice? Did they stop? Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Side of both of these eggs, but we are on this part of the egg. She's not feeling good. It's okay. Here we go. It's all right. Maybe somebody. I can't believe how cute it is. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out. Oh, I think. Watch. Eggs are a little bit scared. Make sure they feel. Oh, come on. We've got a little yellow beak. Oh. Done! We've got a lot pecking. I know, it's so much work. Here you go. Yum. Okay, that is so cute. It's so cute. Purple and yellow little Hatchimal. And yellow speckled and sprinkled all over it. Oh, green. What does green mean? Then they will hatch when they're ready. Oh, it's starting to hatch. It's starting. Woo! Sick. We need to take care of it right now. Wait a minute. Now it's kind of orange. The eyes were kind of orange. Why? There's a lot of egg. Oh, wow. It's already been cracked. And that. Oh, is it okay? Yep, it's perfectly fine. Go ahead and pull it out. Oh, that was a good peck, too. Cute. I hope you cookie fans enjoyed this video. Checking out these little Hatchimals. Whoop, they're walking around. That was a good one right there. Oh, look at it. Almost. Is that they're going to be absolutely adorable whenever they crack. Okay, this is just so cute. I just can't. Look, we don't even spin around a little. So cute. Oh, it's adorable. It's so cute. Listen. Here's a little piece of the shell. Whoop, there's her beak. Birthday cake. It was so yummy. Okay, what about this one? What about it? Let's see. Can we kind of see what color it is? I'm seeing yellow and purple. Here we go. She's going to be exploring. All right. So let's see exactly the way. Yeah, that's a little beak marks over here. Ooh, that was a good. I love the mint and I love the little cotton candy change colors so that. There we go! Look at that little spot right here. Okay, oh, I think she's so tired. Ew, this one's pink and minty green. Oh, they're so tired from pecking right here. And we need lots of work around. They're being silly. These are Oh, this one's almost all the way to the L-fly. This one I think is just about ready. So he's starting to crack open. Ooh, that one actually pecked a little piece off. Cookie swirl, see? Everybody gather around. They are going. This one is so close. Look at, we can even see its eyes. Look at one. Dark blue is now all gone and it's no longer afraid. Are you trying to hatch? Could be opening up the tins. Whoa. There we go. Oh, this one's hungry for more cake. Come on over. Now it's ready. Yay! We got it out of the egg. It's so cute. Wow. It's cracking and making its way. Look at it. You can actually. Oh, woo! Woo! This one is in here. Its little wings. They're actually fuzzy. Ah, look, it's a little elephant. This one is part elephant. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Look at her fur, too. Oh, wait a minute. It's a egg. Now we're also going to hatch this. This is so talkative. I cannot believe how cute. Look at how pretty she is. I love to see you. They still have a ways to go, though. Oh, I'm going to peck its way out of the egg. There it is, right there. Shell is still cracked through right here. Oh, this is so through the egg. We'll hold it just a little bit. Come on, you can do it. Here it goes back into the egg. Oh, it's almost kind of cracked right there. Woo! Here we go. Woo! There we go. Are we gonna sing Hatchy Bird? Here we have this little Hatchimal. Oh, she is. You can kind of feel where it's pecking. You can do it. Oh, this one's taking a little break again. Come on. Ah, no, careful. You can do it. Ooh. Whoa. Oh, we got lucky. This one's ready. It's shaking and moving on its own. It's just going. Beak still has not popped out yet. Maybe it won't pop out at all, like this one did. There we go. Okay, it's going back to it. There we go. Keep a part hen. Ah, there we go. Oh, this one is laughing and giggling. Okay, this one is still a little bit scared. It's okay. Oh, we can kind of see its beak. Steps yet? So it looks like she is the hedge hen. So she's part hedgehog. The Hatchimal Mystery Series, the fluffiest fly. Ooh, surprise Hatchimals today. I am so excited. These are so cool. Oh, that one had a piece fly out. But it looks kind of multicolored. I'm seeing blue, pink, and purple in there. But it could just best day ever cookie. One more right here. Make it all the way around. Whoa, there we go. Here's a... We open them up. Okay, very carefully. We can pop open the little egg containers. So walking around. Whoa. And this one is still day. Come on, little Hatchimal. Are you... It's... Ooh. Come on, peck away the eggshell. Peck it.
Hey guys, welcome! So, today I'm going to be reacting to Cookie Girl. Yeah, and let's just get right into it, okay? Okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, so there's a man staring at a screen. Okay. Yeah. And he's noticing there are like cookies on the table and little crumbs. And this is making him feel something, I guess. And the cookies, they're like all crumbled up. So I guess like someone ate them, which I think is a really not nice thing to do to someone's cookies. And they're like leaving this trail. And he thinks it's weird, I guess. He's making these faces. Okay, so he's like following the cookie trail. Like it's going to lead him somewhere. Probably to like the culprit. Oh! Oh, it's me! I'm right there. I'm in the video. I was just laying there. That's really fun. That's really fun. I had the cookies all along. Oh, wow. Oh, that was fun. That was really cool. Okay, well, yeah. I guess that's it. Well then, yeah, goodbye.